So we were both working at the Cheesecake Factory. He was working there a few months, and I was like, oh, that guy's kind of cute. And I actually would stalk the schedule to see when he worked and pick up shifts just to work with him. And I was too nervous to go up and talk to him. So I would just wait for him to talk to me pretty much.
Oh, it looks so good!
Wow. I was in orientation, and one of the things that they actually said was that a lot of people will meet their significant other on the job working there. And I was kind of sitting there laughing like, I don't know if that's gonna be the case with me. And we kind of finished the orientation. We walked past the bakery. I saw Ashlee there, and I was like, wow, she's really beautiful. Just slowly over time, we started working together, you know, working the same shifts. And then we just started talking more and more and more. And then eventually, one night I just said, hey, do you want to go out to a movie?
We went and saw a movie, and I was so nervous I almost threw up. I almost bailed, and my friend said, oh, no, you're gonna show up and go. And I went, and the moment I got in the car with him, everything just kind of fell away, and talking to him was so easy. I had never felt like that with anybody.
We were sitting in the car in an In-N-Out parking lot for till 3 a.m. and we were just talking. And then it just kind of clicked, and I knew. I was like, this is definitely the girl I'm gonna marry one day.
Well, this is your wedding day. I asked both of them why they love each other, why I love Wessley. Well, there's so much about Wessley that I love. I love that he's so selfless. He puts everyone before him without any hesitation or grief. Another quality I've come to love is that his sense of humor matches mine. I seriously laugh until it hurts with him. And I adore that he is always patient with me, even when I don't deserve it. He's genuinely such a good man. And for that, I think he has taught me to be a better woman. And I know he is my biggest supporter. And why I love Ashlee? Well, honestly, I love everything about her. It's hard to select just a few qualities, but I'll just jump into this. She's the most supportive and caring person I know. She's always there for me when I need her the most. And she's a blast to be around. Just ask any of her friends, she's a blast. And I just love about her that she's tenacious as well. When she decides to go after it, everything she does, nothing is ever done at 50%. And when she sets her mind to something, there is nothing that will ever stand in her way. And that's why I love you. It is my absolute honor to pronounce you husband and wife. Wessley, you may kiss your beautiful bride.
Every day brings new life to help us on our way. Always taking my breath, whether sun or rain. The wind will carry us over, that horizon we see is getting closer.
Wessley is the perfect foil to Ashlee. They both keep each other level-headed and are actually one of the best, most compatible couples I've ever met. I couldn't ask for a better man for my very best friend. I love you both so much, and I can't wait to see the beautiful lives you continue to build together as man and wife.
Ashlee, Wessley could not have found a more perfect partner than you. You keep him social by planning all of the outings, and you bring out the best in him. And Wessley, you're very lucky to have found the person who loves you and will take care of you for the rest of your life, including your Lululemon pants. So let's all raise a glass and toast to my boyfriend and his beautiful new wife. Congratulations, Ashlee and Wessley. We wish you nothing but a life of happiness, love, and memories.
This is why we live.